Hey everybody, Ken the Solar Guy again. On the 22nd of October, I did a video, my last one, uh, my previous one, and I indicated some information about the benefits of solar panel cleaning. So I did some follow ups on it since then, and every single day we've had some halfway decent solar production. All of the trends I was showing you in the previous video were steady throughout, right up until yesterday. Last evening, I went home and I washed the remainder of the panels. So yesterday during the day, as you can see, at 12:30, I believe, yeah, 12:30 in the afternoon was the highest production point of the day at 9,279 watts. You'll notice also these same 14 panels that I indicated last time are still producing 10 or so watts higher each than the 10 that are to the left of them on the main array. So I went home last night, I finished washing all the other panels, and today, let's get into 12:30. Again, the peak time right now, this time of year, seems to be right around 12:30 p.m. We are all the way up to 9,719 watts. We increased our production 400 watts just by cleaning the panels. And if you look at these 14 that I've highlighted in orange, they're in the 240 to 245 range, mostly 245. The other ones, the 10 to the left of them that were always 10 or so lower, are pretty close to the same. And as a result, the whole system being cleaned up has increased my wattage by 400 watts. You multiply that by several hours during the day during peak sun time, and that's a considerable amount of power being generated. So it makes a huge difference. I've estimated on my math, we're looking at anywhere from 3 to 5 kilowatt hours a day, which translates as much as 150 kilowatt hours a month. So that's like $20 worth of electricity down here. So it's definitely a worthwhile thing. At some point, you got to kind of watch them. You can see the film building up on them. And I was amazed how black the water was when I was done cleaning them. It was significant. So I would say at least once a year, probably twice, like I said before. Probably like in the spring, just to get ready for the summer, and then in the fall again to maximize for the wintertime. So that's all I've got for now. Again, considerable increase in production, much more than I ever even thought it was. Now I'm really sad I didn't wash them earlier. Okay, well, that's it for now. If I come up with anything, I'll hit you back later. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.